Hi, I'm Denny, and I just built a new tool called the AIMH Video Engine. The goal is simple. I want to turn rough screen recordings and messy narration into polished YouTube videos using AI. In this video, I'm quickly showing you how the system works and why I'm building it. I just created a new open source project called AIMH Video Engine. The idea is simple. I want to be able to ramble at my screen, explain what I'm building, make mistakes, pause, click around, and not worry about performing perfectly. Then the engine takes that rough screen recording and turns it into a polished YouTube video, like the one you're watching right now. The reason I built this is that making technical videos manually takes way too long. You record, re-record, edit, cut dead space, write captions, add music, create chapters, export, and upload. And by the end, you don't want to make another video. So this project is my attempt to build an AI-powered video production pipeline for my AI Made Human YouTube channel. So here's how it works. First, I record my screen in Tella with rough narration. If you don't know Tella, it's an all-in-one screen recorder. You record, edit, and share every video your business needs. From a pricing standpoint, I'm paying $26 a month so I can record my screen. It's basically a desktop app. You hit record and capture your screen and your voice. They also just introduced an MCP server, which makes all of this much easier. So then Claude on the back end takes that messy transcript, cleans it up, and rewrites it into a clean script. After that, ElevenLabs generates the cleaned up narration in my cloned voice. I got a professional microphone and recorded my voice for about 2 hours, and that's the voice you're hearing right now. For the voice cloning, you do need the ElevenLabs creator license. Right now, it's $11 a month, normally $22, and that lets you do professional voice cloning. And then the visual edit happens. Zooms, highlights, transitions, secret blurring, chapter cuts, and removing dead time are all done through the MCP server. Then, at the end, FFmpeg assembles everything together. The screen recording, the voiceover, the music, the logo, captions, intro, and outro. And finally, Claude does a QA pass to check things like timing, captions, secrets on the screen, and audio levels. Once it passes, the video can be scheduled and uploaded to YouTube through the YouTube API. The key idea here is that the voice becomes the spine of the video. Instead of forcing myself to narrate perfectly while recording, I just capture the real build process, and the engine cleans up the story afterwards. So what does the roadmap look like? Right now, the repo is public and the core engine is ready, so all the core functionality is working. Next, we want to focus on shorts to automatically generate vertical clips from the final video. There's also going to be an SEO pack that optimizes titles, descriptions, tags, and chapters for YouTube. And we want to distribute across multiple platforms and automatically generate a thumbnail for the final video. So that's the AIMH Video Engine. It's a way to make shipping content less painful, so I can build more in public, document more projects, and turn AI Made Human into a real portfolio of experiments. Ramble at your screen, get a finished YouTube video. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I'm building AI products in public with one mission: to solve real problems and bring people together. You can follow the full journey and see everything I'm building at www.aimh.co. Thanks for watching.